What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to install the Netflix app on your macOS. So if you go to the App Store here on your macOS, here I'm using my MacBook, and search for Netflix and then view the results, you will not find any apps for Netflix or any official Netflix app on the App Store. And also, if you go to the Netflix website, you cannot find an option to download an app on your Mac. So here is what you can do. You want to go ahead and open the Safari browser, and this won't work on any browser. It has to be Safari. And then go to the Netflix website. So netflix.com. And then what you want to do, of course, you need to sign into your account. And what you want to do is here, go to File here from the menu bar at the top left. And then you'll find here the option to add to dock. You want to click on it. And here you can change the name. So I'm just going to call it Netflix. Okay, and the URL here, it's generated automatically. You can change it if you want to. And you can also go ahead and change the icon if you want. However, I'll just leave it as it is. And now click on add. So if you have tried to add it before, you will be prompted to replace it. Or if it's the first time, you won't see this message. So I'll click on replace. And if I go to my dock, as you can see now, I have the Netflix app installed on my dock. So if I click on it, it'll open Safari and it'll open the Netflix website automatically. And the cool thing about this trick is that you can do it not only with Netflix, but with any website that you want to install or add its app to your dock.